To conclude the pre-start inspection, we finally check all around the vehicle for visible leaks. Most vehicles, including forklifts, are prone to leaks, owing to all the fluids that are contained in their systems. Leaks are generally noticed after a vehicle has moved away from its parked position, having been standing for a while. Part of a good pre-start inspection would include an inspection especially beneath the vehicle for signs of fluid leaks. Leaks may occur from any area of the vehicle. A good operator is able to identify the general area from which a fluid is leaking and report to a supervisor the likely problem. For example, leaks at the front of the vehicle are most likely to be hydraulic leaks or transmission oil leaks, whereas leaks towards the rear of the vehicle are more likely to be engine oil leaks, fuel leaks, or coolant leaks. You can also identify a leak by literally examining the liquid on the ground. For example, an engine oil leak will produce dark, thickish oil. On the other hand, a hydraulic oil leak will show up as clean-looking thin oil. Automatic transmission oil tends to have a reddish color. Diesel and petrol leaks are identifiable by smell. And of course, a water leak doesn't need too much skill to identify. On your checklist or report, make a note of any leak, giving an indication of the type of leak and the area on the vehicle from which it is leaking. This brings us to the end of the pre-start inspection for engine-powered vehicles. The items that we have covered are considered typical for all forklifts except electric models. Electric vehicle checks will be dealt with in detail in another module in this series. It is strongly recommended that you practice performing pre-start inspections on the vehicles allocated to you by your instructor. In part 2 of this module, we shall demonstrate and explain startup checks and shutdown procedures.